Thousands are moving to Switzerland for work, but here's what they're not telling you. Despite high salaries, stunning cities, and one of the best healthcare systems in the world, most foreigners still apply for the wrong jobs and get rejected. But not you, because in this video, I'm going to give you the exact roadmap. Which top 5 most in-demand jobs in Switzerland right now? Why these roles are urgently needed? What skills and experience employers are really looking for? And how to beat the growing competition, even if you don't speak German or French yet. So, make sure you watch till the end. Number 5 might surprise you. And hey, if this is your first time here, let me know where you're watching from in the comments. I'd love to personally welcome you. Switzerland has one of the strongest economies in Europe, with some of the highest salaries in the world. But post-pandemic recovery and open border access has brought in thousands of new workers, especially from France, Italy, and Portugal. Now, the job market is more competitive than ever, and if you want to stand out, you need to know what skills are in high demand. Switzerland was hit like every other country during the 2020 pandemic. But thanks to its strong economy and top-tier healthcare system, it bounced back faster than most European countries. By 2021 and 2022, things started reopening. People returned to work, and a wave of workers from surrounding countries crossed the border to find opportunities here. This means more competition, fewer vacancies, and more pressure on employers to hire the right fit. So, you need to be laser-focused when choosing which roles to apply for. Top 5 most in-demand jobs in Switzerland 2025. 1. Healthcare professionals, especially nurses and elderly care workers. Switzerland's aging population means healthcare jobs, especially in geriatric care, are booming. If you're a qualified nurse or caregiver, you're already in demand. Tip: if your qualifications are from outside Switzerland, check if your diploma needs recognition via the Swiss Red Cross, SRC. 2. IT and software developers. Switzerland is home to major tech companies and financial institutions, all of which need software engineers, cloud specialists, and cybersecurity experts. Good news: English is often the working language in tech, so speaking German or French isn't always mandatory. Bonus tip: add Swiss-based experience to your CV by freelancing on platforms like Upwork or TopTal. 3. Skilled trades, electricians, mechanics, plumbers. These roles may not sound flashy, but they are crucial. Construction and infrastructure projects across the country need skilled hands, and there's a shortage. If you have hands-on trade experience, get your documents ready. Many employers are open to hiring from abroad if you're qualified and ready to relocate. 4. Financial analysts and accountants. Zurich and Geneva are global banking hubs. If you have financial modeling, risk management, or auditing experience, you have real chances. Knowing Swiss GAAP or IFRS is a huge plus. Fluent German or French can give you an edge, but many multinational firms accept English for corporate roles. 5. Teachers, especially in international schools. With thousands of expatriates living in Switzerland, international schools are booming. English-speaking teachers for math, science, and language arts are in demand, especially those with a teaching license from abroad. Some schools even sponsor work permits if you're the right fit. How to find these jobs? So where should you look? Here are some job websites that regularly post openings for foreigners. Jobs.ch, jobup.ch, swissdevjobs.ch, great for IT roles. Indeed Switzerland. Glassdoor.ch. Use job titles like English-speaking nurse. Junior software engineer Zurich. International school teacher Switzerland. Also check company websites directly. Especially big employers like Nestlé, Roche, and UBS. Visa and work permit tips. Switzerland isn't part of the EU, but it has agreements with the EU and EFTA countries. That means, if you're from an EU/EFTA country, the process is much easier. If you're from outside Europe, like Nigeria, India, or the Philippines, you'll need employer sponsorship for a Type L or Type B permit. To get a Swiss work visa. Secure a job offer. Employer submits application to the canton, region. If approved, you apply for your visa at the Swiss embassy in your home country. So how do you stand out? Tailor your CV to Swiss standards, concise, factual, and include a photo. Learn basic German or French, even just to show effort. Be honest about your visa status, don't hide it. Reach out to recruitment agencies, many specialize in placing foreigners. Switzerland is competitive, but if you bring the right skills, experience, and strategy, you can land a job. Whether you're a nurse from Nigeria, an engineer from India, or a teacher from the Philippines, Switzerland still needs your skills. But now, you're not going in blind. You know the jobs in demand, the work permit options, and where to find real openings. Don't wait for the perfect time. The best time to start preparing was yesterday. The next best time. Right now. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. And before you go, drop a comment. What country are you watching from? Are you applying from India, Nigeria, or the Philippines? Let me know what job you're aiming for and I'll reply with tips. I will do my best to respond to your comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.